and I am back with another video, and today I'm scrapping two photos of my cats actually. So I'm going to take this gorgeous stripe paper. It was from a Pink Fresh Studio collection that it's a scrap, and it's the only piece I had left over from this collection, but it works so well with these Vicki Boutin papers. I just popped it into this envelope, and I think I bought this as part of a Schmel Best of Both Worlds collection, and there was the Pink Fresh and the Vicki Boutin mixed into it, so I knew that it worked really well. But anyway, so what I'm doing there is I'm just adding that Pink Fresh Studio piece to the aqua paper, background paper there, which is the Flourish paper from Storyteller. And they're about 6 by 6, but I want to change that a little bit, the measurement, so that one of those two papers is a little bit narrower than the other. So I'm adding some rose gold washi tape from Freckled Fawn, and it's just beautiful on this. It works so well. But I also was keeping in mind that I was doing a crop from my little scrapbook store last weekend, and as I'm videoing this anyway, this was in February, you won't see it till much later. But I hadn't completed, not even half the challenges because I was doing other things that weekend. So I wanted to do their washi tape challenge, which was to use at least 2 types of washi on a layout. So I'm using 2 types, but I'm using 3 strips. So that's lovely. I used up 36 inches of washi tape here. And I really like how those work. That blue washi tape is a piece from Recollections. All right, then I have that kind of crosshatch paper underneath the photo right now, and that is from Vicki Boutin Les Wander. It's the Picture Perfect paper. And then I have that green polka dot paper there, and it's from a 12 by 12 pad. I think it's the Storyteller pad, but I'm not positive. And if it's not, then it would be the Kaleidoscope pad. So then I'm going through, and I liked this piece of huge ephemera. Vicki does do huge ephemera. And there's another piece of huge ephemera. And these are both from the Storyteller collection. They are the embellishments, as is that wreath of gold leaves. And there's a sentiment on that bottom of the wreath that I don't exactly love. And I've used many of these, and I just cut it off or hide it, which is what I'm going to do here. And that card says 2 plus 2, but really it's just that I have 2 cats, and that seemed to be a great theme. The kind of goldy orangey color worked with the gold in the stripe paper. And oh my gosh, can we talk about how yummy the weight of Pink Fresh Studio papers are? They're just perfectly thick and lovely. Okay, so big piece of ephemera there. And then I'm popping it up, so I'm just adding a little bit of, and I'm not sure exactly where this is going to be positioned, so I only popped it up to get it to stick to the 2 by 2 card. Now I like this arrow here, and that arrow came from the Les Wander chipboard. I like how it's just kind of pointing to the right there, and it has gold on it to kind of work with the gold in the vellum leaf wreath up there. And then that, what I want to say, this is a sticker. The flower on the bottom left is a sticker from the Vicki Boutin stickers from Storyteller. Okay, so I'm really liking how this looks right now. I'm thinking I did find that other sticker there and decided just to leave it as is. It looks fine. There's plenty going on with all the pattern here, and then the huge embellishments. I mean, I used 3 pretty big embellishments in that card, the wreath and that daisy at the top right there. Okay, then I went to my Pink Fresh Live More rose gold alpha here. So I'm combining gold and rose gold, but I'm okay with that because there's it really works well with these colors here. And I'm just going to spell out Pretty Kitties here. This is a really fun alpha. It's got a great texture to it. And so that's Linus on the right. He's my male cat. And then Lucy on the left. She's my female cat. They are litter mates, even though you can't tell. They both have white feet, and they both have a little tuxedo white on their chest. So that's really how you can tell that they're siblings. She does not like having her picture taken. I will tell you that. She's kind of a diva. So it's hard to get her. But my cat sitter got these great photos of them. All right. And then I had to MacGyver an R there out of a P, and I just added a leg from a K. That's how I did that in this particular case. All right, so I am going to add another texture here. So I grabbed my enamel dots from Altenew in the seashore color, and I will add 3 in each of my clusters here. Just to add a little bit of something else. So, there's really only 2 embellishment clusters, but they're so big. That one on the right is so big that it really does a lot of work for the embellishing. That and the fact that the washi tape is very patterned. You don't need much more than that. I'm looking for the date here of these photos because I never remember. Or even if I look first, I forget it. You know that. If you've watched me, you know. All right, you guys. So coming up is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.